Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a Amazon clothing try on haul video. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, welcome back to another. This might be a little try on haul video because I am missing 3 outfits. Yeah, they never came in the mail, so like a little video. But I hope you guys still enjoy. I did a review on this here that I'm wearing, and I will link it in the description or in the comment section, or it should be my latest video. So check out my latest video if you want to see my review on this wig. If you enjoy watching videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and I will keep doing more videos like this. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. So this is what I look like right now, and the first thing that I'm gonna try on is this crop top t-shirt, and it's like a knot front crop top t-shirt. Yep, this is what it looks like. It's like a yellow crop top t-shirt. You could like tie it in the front. I'm gonna wear these yoga legging pants, I think that's what they're called, and it's black and white, and this is what they look like. And I'm gonna be wearing these little heels with everything that I'm gonna be trying on. And I had these heels for a while now, and I got them at Rainbow. So yeah, I'm just wearing them a little taller. So this is what the first little outfit looks like. It's really cute, I like it, and it's really comfortable. The shirt is comfortable and the pants are comfortable. The shirt is not too loose and it's not too tight. It's actually a small, but they had like, I was gonna get a medium, but they didn't have the color in medium, so I just got a small. But at first I thought it wasn't gonna fit, but it fits perfectly. It's not too tight or too small around the shoulders. It's not too tight or too small. It fits perfectly, and the pants they fit comfortably, like real comfortable. I thought they was gonna be too big at first, but they fit perfectly. And they are really comfortable, and around the waist it's not too tight or nothing. It's stretchable, but it fits perfectly. Yeah, you could tie the shirt. I recommend tying it than just leaving it by itself because it looks better. But yep, it's a nice outfit. And this is a close-up to get a better look at it. I never wore a yellow shirt, so I wanted to try something different. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I like both of the pants and the shirt. I would get the shirt like a 7 probably, or an 8, and I would get the pants like a 9 or a 8. And you can also wear these with like some blue jeans or something, and it also looks good with like some jeans or some blue jeans or whatever. So the next one is this black and white crop top t-shirt with the knot front. This is the same shirt as the yellow one, but it's just a different color. So it's the same thing as the other one. You could tie it in the front, and it's the same material and fabric. This one is a medium and the other one was a small, so I don't see a difference. It's pretty much the same. And this is a close-up to get a better look at it. I really like this shirt. It's pretty nice. The next thing that I'm gonna try on is this crop top, I think. Off the shoulder crop top. This is what it looks like. And I like this one. It's the material of it is like silky, soft, like material. Yeah, it's a really nice shirt and I liked it. And I'm gonna try on this other one. It's the same type of shirt. It's just a different color. I didn't know which one to get, so I just got black and like this navy blue color. It's like a navy blue color. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. It fits me perfectly. They both are a medium. This is what it looks like, and I like this one. So the next thing that I'm gonna try on is this two-piece outfit or sweatsuit, and this is what the sweatshirt looks like. And it's a cowl-neck type of sweatshirt. And this is what the pants look like, and this whole outfit is a medium. So this is what it looks like, and it's really comfortable. It's like a soft cotton type silky material. I don't really know, but it's pretty comfortable and stuff. It wasn't hard to put on or nothing. It's not too tight or too loose, and I really like this one. And this outfit comes in many colors that you can choose from. And this is what the cowl-neck looks like. It's like a cowl-neck sweatshirt. And yep, and they got these little strings you can pull to make it tighter. And it's real comfortable. It's not too tight or nothing. Fit, and I would give it like a 7 because it's not all that. It's just like a regular sweatsuit. And the pants are really smooth and comfortable, and around the waist is comfortable. So the last outfit is this blue, another two-piece sweatsuit outfit, and it's by the same brand or the same seller or company as the red one. And yeah, I like this one. I think this one is my favorite compared to the red one. I like this one and it's comfortable as the other one, and it fits perfectly, and this is a size medium, and I really like this one. This one, it comes with a hood. The sweatshirt comes with the hood, and the strings, you can tie it and make it tighter. So yeah, you could just walk outside with your hood on, minding your business, doing whatever you do. So yeah, it's a nice outfit. Gotta fix up the hair, gotta fix up the hair. The hood don't mess up the hair, gotta fix up the hair. And yeah, it's a nice outfit. I like this one. Yeah, just let me know which one was your favorite outfit. It's like a nice long sleeve sweatshirt. So let me know which one is your favorite outfit, or which one do you like, or which one you're gonna buy. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. And for more content, check out my video playlist. They will be in the description. If you like this video, leave a like down below and leave a comment and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.